We cleaned these pipes one time. We want to see what kind of progress we've made and what the conditions are after the initial cleaning, so we can anticipate where we'll be going next. So we're in the westernmost 2-inch stack, and we'll see what we got. We got a little bit of debris in there. Alright, well, we know this one needs jetting. Okay, now we're in the southeast 2-inch stack over by the peak here. Let's see if we can get this one all the way out. That looks pretty good. A little bit of debris in there. Okay, we'll run the snake and the jetter in this one too. Alright, so now we're at the kitchen stack. It's 3-inch. And that one's in good condition. That one came out clean the first time around. Now we're at the laundry line. Yeah, okay. Looks good. Actually, we don't need to jet this one. That one's good. So the only ones we need to jet after we clean the main is the west bath and the southeast bath stack. Okay, we're back here at the west stack. This service for the lavatory and the west bath is nice and clean. Should have good flow. Okay, now we're at the southeast bath stack up near the peak. We've got a tagline in there. Again, I don't know if we can make it all the way out, but I want to make sure it's cleaned. But the rest of this, a little bit of debris in the bottom, but the only thing going down here is water. So it really shouldn't be an issue. Mostly I'm concerned with the main line, so we'll go take a look at that next. The main line's where the toilet paper and the waste goes, and that's where people normally have problems. Okay, so now we're at the Clean Out Excavation. It's looking good. We're going to run the jetter up there one more time before we leave. All the way to the toilet. Just get that little bit of debris out.